Egusi soup is one of Nigeria's popular recipe which so many of us love so much. Egusi soup can be prepared in different ways. Hi lovers of good things, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Ladyzion Sweethome. Thank you all for tuning in to today's video. If you want to know how I prepare the super delicious egusi soup, stay tuned. Let's dive into this video. Welcome back my amazing lovers. Here is the meat I will be using for this recipe. I have my ishaki, I have my chicken, I also have some beef meat. You are free to use any type of meat of your choice for this egusi recipe. At this stage, we'll go ahead and season the meat with some few ingredients. In egusi soup, you don't need so many ingredients for this recipe. Just do it so simple and natural, and do it the way you love it as well. I have my sliced onions, my bouillon cube, what we know as Maggi cube. I have salt for taste. I have some black pepper, I have some thyme, I have some garlic powder, and I have some curry powder as well. Just use any ingredients of your choice. So guys, at this stage I will stir everything together, then I place it on top of the fire to allow the ingredients and the meat to steam together. Then I will add a lot of water that will be enough for the meat to cook finally. As we wait for the meat to cook, we'll go ahead with the rest ingredients. Here I have 3 seeds of tomatoes, 1 red bell pepper, 2 chili pepper, and 1 habanero pepper. So I'm going to blend everything together, then we'll go ahead with the rest ingredients, our egusi seed. You can blend your egusi dry, but normally I wash my egusi and blend it with the water blender. You can do it the way you are okay with it. I will continue to blend until I am through with all the egusi I have in my filter. If you are frying your egusi, please blend it carefully. Don't add too much water so that you can get the right party egusi. Here my egusi is blended, and here is my spinach. You can use any vegetable of your choice. I have my palm oil, I have some fresh microfish, I have my minced tomatoes blend, I have my tomatoes paste, I have my bonga fish and okporoko, I have some sliced onions and Maggi cube, I have some salt for taste, and my crayfish. Crayfish is very important for this recipe, and here are all the ingredients you need for this recipe. Here the meat is finally cooked and done. At this stage I will place in my clean pot and add my red palm oil. I will allow it to heat for some minutes, then I will put in my sliced onions. I will also put in my tomatoes paste. You can decide to skip the tomatoes paste if you don't like your egusi with tomatoes paste. Then we'll go ahead with the rest ingredients. I love fried egusi so much because fried egusi can make you have that beautiful taste of party egusi soup. Oh my goodness, if you have not tried your egusi this way, please do well and try it. You will love it and you will enjoy your egusi soup. I will continue to fry till the stew is well cooked and done. Then we'll go in with our egusi butter. At this stage you have to be careful while frying your egusi so that your egusi will not get burned. At this stage, I will allow you to watch and enjoy this video. If you watch to this extent, thank you so much. Thank you, I do really appreciate it. And for my old and new subscribers, thank you all so much. Thank you for always tuning in. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for always watching my video. May God bless you. And for the new that just subscribed to my channel, welcome. My name is Ladyzion Sweethome. You will never regret subscribing to my channel, and you will enjoy your staying with us. And if you enjoyed this video at last, please remember to give it a huge thumbs up. Share to your friends and family that you know they will love this kind of recipe. Share it to any social media you are operating. And that way you are supporting my channel. God bless you as you do. And remember to subscribe to my channel if you are still watching. You have not yet done so. Thank you all so much, and I would love to see you in my next video. Bye for now.